Let's see some topics and grammar tips for B1 oral exam Tarea 1. Now, as per DELE guidelines, the first task is that en esta tarea se evalúa la capacidad del candidato para realizar una breve presentación ensayada en la que dé su opinión, describa sus experiencias o hable de sus deseos respecto a un tema o un titular que se le proporciona previamente. Now this means that you have to express your opinion. Now in order to do that, you need constructions like en mi opinión, yo creo que, pienso que, or constructions with subjunctive like dudo que, no creo que, etc. Second point is of talking about past experiences. For this, you need to practice pretérito perfecto, pretérito indefinido, imperfecto and pluscuamperfecto. The last one says hablar de deseos. This is normally done using the tense condicional. For example, me gustaría. Along with this, you should know constructions like sugiero que, recomiendo que, aconsejo que for making recommendations, the positive and negative imperatives, as well as perífrasis verbales. This is an important part of the Spanish grammar and you should use it. Practice simple future tense and connectors like además, ya no, todavía, aunque, sin embargo, por lo tanto. Also primero, segundo or en el fin to structure your text or your monologue. And the dawn. Subjunctive tense. Many of the above constructions like sugiero que, recomiendo que, aconsejo que need subjunctive tense. Now coming to the part 2 about the topics. Tourism is a recurrent theme, but well, I have talked a lot about them in these two videos. You can check them out. An additional topic I would suggest would be human actions on the environment and its bad effect. You can think about different environmental problems like droughts, like floods, the global warming, air, water, noise, pollution, the garbage disposal. You can talk about what are these concepts, why they occur, what are the effects, and what could be a possible solution. One more rare topic could be advertising. What is ethical advertising and what is a creative way of advertising that you have seen so far. Even the advertising on the social media and its impact. One more frequent topic is about the health. What are different problems, the health problems, different diseases, why do they occur and how can you stop them and why is it important to stop them. If you want to practice with us, write to us on these numbers and we will contact you very soon. Happy learning!